दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे शो में द वेंकटेश शो। सर, कॉम्प्लायंस एक डिपार्टमेंट रहता है।
हाँ
एमएनसी में ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट रहता है।
हाँ
तो उसके बारे में कुछ इंसाइट दीजिए हमको कि एमएनसी में कॉम्प्लायंस कैसे फॉलो करते हैं एंड छोटे कंपनी में, इंडियन बेस्ड कंपनी में, छोटे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कॉम्प्लायंस क्यों नहीं फॉलो करते, तो उसके क्या एडवांटेज है, क्या डिसएडवांटेजेस है।
So mainly compliance is about how you would like to work in the organization.
Okay.
You would like to follow certain principles, certain ethics. तो जब कोई रिक्रूट होता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में तो उसको एक कोर वैल्यूज बताया जाता है कि ये कंपनी का ये मतलब this is the way they want to operate. Okay, this is how they want to operate. So they want to differentiate themselves from the rest of the herd.
Right.
Okay, so there might be many MNCs also who may not be following that governance model, which for example, I worked in AstraZeneca.
Okay.
So AstraZeneca is following a governance model. So where compliance is number one for them. So the performance is secondary. So if you don't comply with their governance models or their process, then you can lose your position and your job and this thing.
That's serious.
Plus आपका नाम भी फिर tarnish हो सकता है इंडस्ट्री में because of that.
Okay.
So ऐसा होता नहीं है normally, क्योंकि from MNC to Indian companies to MNC, the gap is far bigger.
Right.
So if someone has worked in an Indian organization, his mindset is totally
different.
Commercial.
Okay.
So he's brought up with a commercial frame of mind. Whereas in an MNC is brought up more from a governance
training, science
model.
Yes.
So there are do's and don'ts, there are legal issues and everything. So they are trained like that. And then based on that, it is applied in the field.
Okay.
Yes.
सर, एक सक्सेसफुल कॉर्पोरेट लीडर होने के लिए आपको कंटिन्यूस लर्निंग करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। तो हाउ डू यू स्टे अपडेटेड?
See, first of all, what it takes to be successful in the field. Okay. So you have to learn from all your resources. From a medical representative point of view, if we think, or a area manager's point of view, if you think. So he should know the topography of the market. Okay. He should know ki where which institutes sit where specific. What are the type of doctors he's meeting? What is the competition doing? He can learn from paramedics like nurses or ward boys.
Correct.
So which are maybe insignificant. But जैसे कहते हैं ना, बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है। तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजों से you can learn from different sources.
Okay.
You can learn from medical journals. You can learn from doctors. You can learn from paramedics.
Okay.
You can learn from the competitors.
Right.
Okay. So you can learn from pharmacies. Okay. So you have to put your mind to learn from each and every resource which you have. Apart from the company own resource. कंपनी के रिसोर्स तो है ही है, जैसे मेडिकल टीम है, ट्रेनिंग टीम है, मार्केटिंग टीम है, उससे तो आप सीखोगे ही। बट बाहर का जो रिसोर्सेज है उससे भी आपको सीखना है।
करेक्ट।